Hi, Matt Bauer of Matt Bauer Organizing. Do you like color coding? Colors can speak louder than words, but too many colors can be confusing and distracting, especially if arbitrarily assigned. But you know where I find colors most useful? Paper management. Now, I'm not just talking about using different colors in your filing cabinet. I'm talking about the whole cycle of paper management. This color coding is easy to remember because it involves filing by temperature. It makes it easy to get organized and to stay organized. Here's how it works. In order to get organized, we need systems that circulate, because circulation prevents accumulation. Paper systems are no exception. Whenever you get overwhelmed by piles of paper, start by doing a quick sort by stage. Not by category yet, by stage. There are essentially just 4 stages of paper. The first stage are running file. These are the things you need to make a point of acting on, bills to pay, and ongoing projects. Next are the sitting file. These are things you just need to be able to find reliably within seconds. Then there are the sleeping files. These are the files you're keeping just in case. These can be stored more remotely. Finally, things like tax supporting materials after a few years lose all value and can graduate to dead files. After you do this basic sort by 4 stages, you will find that you can free up a lot of space. The dead files that you can eliminate, and the sleeping files that you can relocate will free up room in the storage room and in your file cabinet. The sitting files that were on your desk now have plenty of room in your file cabinets, and you leave a nice open desk for processing running files. So this is where the colors come in. Let's use a phone bill as an example. It arrives in the mail and you hold it in your red hot running files. Comes out. Pay the bill. And then you simply just need to be able to find the statement reliably. So then it goes to the warm yellow sitting files. After your taxes are settled for the year, you most likely will not need this phone bill as tax supporting material, so its value has cooled down to green sleeping files. And that can be stored more remotely. After a few years without incident, those sleeping files then graduate to cold blue dead files. Then those are shredded and recycled, in theory, into new bills to pay, and the cycle continues. So if your files are accumulating, get them circulating. Try sorting and storing by temperature. And if you need help setting up a user-friendly filing system, just go to YouTube and look up Matt Bauer Organizing File Rotation. And for hands-on help, go to mattbauer.com.